Do you want to pass your driving test first time? Well, there are things that you need to know and be ready for before you present yourself to an examiner. Let's talk about the things you need to know, so if you can check all of these boxes and skills, you'll be ready to pass your driving test. If you can do all of those skills successfully and, more importantly, independently, then you might be ready for your driving test. The first skill that you need to master is moving off and stopping. On your driving test, you're gonna move off and stop next to the left curb at least 3 times. It's not a mistake. The examiner is not telling you that you've done anything wrong. It's just a part of the procedure. They simply want to see how you park and how you pull away again with control and safety in mind. So randomly along your test route, you're going to be asked to pull over and then just drive away again.